Where did your favorite online store's secret weapon come from? The magic behind the seamless shopping experience, the endless aisles of unique products, the reason that small-time entrepreneur in your town can compete with the retail giants. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on a game changer in the world of e-commerce. We're not talking about Amazon or Shopify, but about a platform that empowers the people who sell on them. We're talking about the origin story of Spocket. Think about the early days of online selling. You had an idea for a product, maybe a handmade candle or a custom t-shirt. You built a simple website, but then came the logistics nightmare. Sourcing materials, managing inventory, shipping packages, it was a one-person show that quickly became overwhelming. And if you wanted to sell products you didn't make, you were left with two options: either buy everything in bulk, hoping it would sell, or navigate the murky waters of international dropshipping, with its famously long shipping times and often questionable product quality. This was the landscape that Spocket's founder, Saba Mohebpour, saw. He wasn't a veteran e-commerce mogul, he was a university student with a keen eye for a problem. While studying at Simon Fraser University, he noticed a recurring issue among his peers who were dabbling in online businesses. They were all facing the same frustrations. The traditional dropshipping model was failing them. Products were arriving weeks, sometimes months, after the order was placed. Customers were getting angry, and the fledgling businesses were failing before they even had a chance to succeed. Saba's vision was simple yet revolutionary. What if there was a way to connect these small to medium-sized online retailers with suppliers who were already located closer to their customers? What if you could dropship products, but with the speed and reliability of a local delivery? This was the aha moment that led to Spocket. The idea was to create a marketplace where suppliers from North America and Europe could list their products, and dropshippers could source them with confidence, knowing their customers wouldn't have to wait an eternity for their packages. The early days were a hustle. It wasn't about building a massive tech empire overnight. It was about solving a real, tangible problem for real people. Saba and his team started by manually reaching out to suppliers, convincing them to join this new, unproven platform. It was a grassroots effort, one supplier at a time, building trust and demonstrating the value of a more efficient dropshipping model. They focused on quality over quantity, curating a selection of reputable suppliers with unique and high-quality products. This focus on quality became the cornerstone of the Spocket brand. Unlike other platforms that were essentially a free-for-all, Spocket built a rigorous vetting process. Suppliers had to meet certain standards for product quality, shipping times, and customer service. This created a win-win situation. Suppliers gained access to a new channel of eager retailers, and the retailers could offer their customers products they could be proud of, with shipping times that rivaled the big players. The platform grew steadily, fueled by word of mouth from satisfied users. What started as a simple solution for a few university students blossomed into a global marketplace. Today, Spocket is a powerful engine for small businesses, a testament to the idea that a simple, focused solution to a complex problem can create immense value. It's the reason your favorite Instagram boutique can sell that perfect candle or that stylish t-shirt without ever touching a box or printing a shipping label. It's the platform that leveled the playing field, making e-commerce accessible and profitable for a new generation of entrepreneurs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.